How do you get reviews for your Amazon business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Amazon has made it harder and harder to get reviews for your business. So in this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about engineering your own reviews for your Amazon store. Now, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, you want to do that because this is part of a seven video series all about a heap of different ways to get reviews for Amazon, ranging from completely white hat to absolutely black hat. So you want to make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to get more reviews for your Amazon business. All right. Next, a little bit more black hat. Now let's talk about engineering reviews at a much higher level. So here is Upwork, which is one of the sites I use heaps for all sorts of different things. So you can see, look here, the app that I was just telling you about. That's my job there, to find 3 people who are consultants for apps to have a conversation with them about this new app I'm going to create for AOE. That's for the new business I'm starting in the UK, a new Amazon store we're starting over there. I'm getting a bookkeeper to go and look after the books for that. Blah-de-blah-de-blah, okay? So, the Upwork strategy, very interesting. Here's how you do it. So what we're effectively going to do is we're going to look for a Amazon virtual assistant. Once we find some people who are Amazon virtual assistants in our target country, we're going to have a conversation with them off of Upwork. And in that conversation, we're going to say to them, this is what I really want you to do. Are you interested? All right, so that's the kind of broad overview of what we're going to do. How do you do that? Let's go look. So we're going to look for Amazon virtual assistant, and we just need that. So Upwork's recently changed. They now have these pre-done jobs, which is kind of cool. But that's not what we're interested in. We're just into this. So now we start. So we've got heaps of people, look, who we can go to, but we're going to narrow it down. Oops, assistant, not assistant. Good if I could spell. We're going to narrow it down to admin support. And then we're going to narrow it down by hourly rate to $10 and under. This is US dollars, not Aussie dollars. Then we're going to narrow it down by location. And we want the United States. So now, what we are now looking for is admin people who are going to work for less than $10 an hour, and they live in our target country where we're looking for reviews. Okay, that's what we're now looking for. Now, next level of this is I now look for folks who have got no feedback, like they've just gotten started, basically. So $3,000 earned. Well, that's okay, I guess, but I typically want more like that. $500 earned. Lauren. Hello, Lauren. How are you? So I look for people that have not got a long and illustrious career on Upwork. Instead, I look for people who are just getting started, because the deal I would make to them is, listen, I will pay you $10, that's their hourly rate, to order a product from Amazon.com and then leave me a 5-star review for that product when it arrives. That's basically what you're saying to them. And so I pay for the hour of their time, and then I also pay for them to have the product, which I give them as a bonus. Okay, now you might say to yourself, Neil, how can you be sure they will do the work? Very simple. If they don't do the work, I leave them a 1-star review. Simple as that. And I tell them right up front, if you do this for me, not only will you get paid an hour of your time to do that, you can also keep the product, and also I'll give you a 5-star review which will help you and your own business. Kind of like you scratch my back, I scratch yours. Simple as that, okay? It works every single time. I have never, ever had somebody rip me off using this strategy. Because why would they? I pay them an hour of their time, I give them the product, whatever the product is, and then I give them a 5-star review. I mean, it's a hell of a deal. So that's one way of doing it. Now, some points about this. Do not, in any way, shape or form, have that conversation on Upwork. You must get them off of Upwork and have a Skype chat with them, okay? And you just, to begin with, you're just talking about Amazon virtual assistant work. Amazon virtual assistant work. Oh, I need you to do checking my stock levels, whatever it may be. But I want to have a chat with you first, just to make sure we're on the same page and I'm going to get on with you. What's your Skype ID? Or what's your WhatsApp? Whatever it may be, okay? Get them off of the platform and then have a conversation with them. Don't do it in writing. Have a conversation, okay? That's the better way of doing it. And if you do that, it works really, really well. Look at all these people who'll do this for $8 an hour. I mean, it's just insanity. You can find it cheaper than that, but still. And they want the 5-star review for their own freelancing business. So that's Upwork. You can also do the same on Fiverr. You can do the same thing on Fiverr. And you can also, well, let's come to that one in a second. You can also do the same thing on Airtasker as well. Again, though, don't have the conversations on the platform. It's a face-to-face conversation on Skype or on Zoom or something like that, or on WhatsApp. You can't have that conversation anywhere else. You'll get in so much trouble if you do. All right, so that is the engineered reviews ways of doing that. Hi, I'm Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from 0 to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.